better day at the Dehiwala beach in Sri Lanka today. Today is the full moon day of the month, a holy day to the Buddhist people of this country. Some countries adopt the lunar calendar, some countries adopt the solar calendar based on the lunar cycle as well as the solar cycle. Particularly most of the countries in the Middle East, Israel adopt the lunar calendar based on the cycles of the moon. And we adopt in this country, and the majority of the countries adopt the solar calendar, which is connected to the sun. And it's an ancient practice, the sun worship and the moon worship, and we worship of even stars. Whatever it is, these bring light to us, the sun, moon and the stars. It impacts our lives and our journey and our enrichment all the time by the impact of the sun, moon and the stars. Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, the days that we are living in, we are seeing stars. I know where it originates, but it is connected to when your eyes are disturbed, naturally you see stars, not really seeing the beautiful stars in the sky. Sometimes when good things happen, we say, sun shining upon us. But we're looking forward to that days when the sun will shine upon the planet Earth in the context of the life to blossom the way it was before this COVID virus striking. Sometimes people say the honeymoon period is over. Yes. So we use the cycles of the stars and the suns and the moons, which connected to our journey. We must also remember very clearly the cyclic impact of our journey, and sometimes we are not ready when things are beginning to take place in a cyclic impact that comes upon. Everything that happens as a beginning and the end, and again a beginning. So we need to make sure that when to begin, when to end, and when to restart. Then we will understand the beginning time and the ending time. Sometimes people forget the harvesting time and the sowing time. During the sowing time, you can't harvest. You have to sow. You have to do your preparation of the field and all connected activities connected to the sowing. And there is no way that you can reap the harvest during the sowing time. And during the harvest time, then you can reap the harvest and rest the land for some time and then again harvest. So ladies and gentlemen, sometimes we don't understand these cycles that are an impact on our journey in our life. Sometimes people are trying to harvest during the sowing time. Sometimes during the sowing time, people are idling and not doing anything. And that's where our lives have to be understood very clearly in the context of the cyclic impact the stars, the moon and the sun brings to us in our journey for our own enrichment.